Hey my loves, welcome back to Her Home Is. You know I always say our bedroom should feel like a soft exhale. And listen, this morning when I woke up, my sheets was trying to run off the bed like they owed somebody money. I said, oh no, not today, not today. Not during my cozy season. And I've been washing my bedding like crazy lately. And if you're anything like me, you love a clean bed, but you hate wrestling with those corners. So today, we're fixing that problem once and for all. I'm giving the bedroom a little refresh, nothing dramatic, just vibe lifting touches. And yes, I'm finally revealing the little tool that has changed my bed making game completely. Before we jump all the way into this video is actually sponsored by Bed Scrunchie, the famous 360-degree bed sheet tightener that basically gives your bed that luxury hotel tension without the hotel price. Y'all, I didn't realize how much this was going to save me time, energy, and frustration. So thank you to Bed Scrunchie for partnering with me today. Everything I'm using is linked below. Make sure you check out Bed Scrunchie and grab yours today. So inside the box, you get your 360-degree tightening strap and the clips. The quality is thick, sturdy, and honestly feels like something that will last for years. And for my girlies who toss and turn, kick, karate chop the sheets at night, yeah, this is definitely for you. I started by attaching the clips evenly around my fitted sheet while it was off the bed. Now you guys, I'm going to walk you through this complete process. Once again, don't forget, Bed Scrunchie's information is down in that description box. Make sure you do click their link. I'm going to put their website and all of that information down in that description for you. And let me know, is it just me? Or does it feel like I am doing way more cleaning and getting things in order this year than I typically do? Because that's just how it feels. I guarantee you guys, TT room has had a thorough clean probably 20 times over. And two, because TT is back and forth with her colors, but you know her favorite color is blue, I did pull out her blue sheet set. So I told her we got to finalize a color to get set up for this Gilded Frost Christmas 2025. Now herein starts the process, you guys, of me letting you see how simple and easy it is to get this bed scrunchie and give your bed this hotel quality look that is just so simple. With this step-by-step demonstration, you guys, you're going to see everything from start to finish once again. Now, as you see for step 1, I started by attaching the clips evenly. You heard me right, you guys. Evenly around my fitted sheet while it was off the bed, you guys. And I'm going to tell you, while I was doing this in my mind, I was saying, is this really going to work? Is this really going to work? You're going to have to see what it done in the end to prove me wrong. And you guys, my method for putting this on evenly was I looked for all of the corner sections of the fitted sheet and I just extended it out from there to get my 4 corners, because with this you are still working around the corners of the bed, you guys. And like I say, you know, it was throwing me for a loop there. That's why I'm showing you my whole complete process. I had to pause for a minute because I was still asking myself, it looks like it's going to work, but I don't know, because I was trying to make sure that I did do this evenly as stated in the instructions. But I'm going to tell you though too, once I actually did this, you guys, this is so simple. TT can actually do this. And now I'm just looking over my fitted sheet to make sure that I actually got this thing on correctly. And let me tell you, I actually had. And when I tell you guys, the details do make the difference. Here is where the magic actually starts to happen, and I can see that this thing is going to work together. I did take that harder elastic band and I just attached it into the spots of those clamps. And once again, I told you I put the clamps around the four corners of the bed because it is a total of 8 clamps. And one thing about Bed Scrunchie, they did give me a couple spare, I think it was 2 extra clamps, you guys, inside of this package. So once again, make sure you do check them out, especially if you want a hotel quality looking made up bed. And now I begin to place my sheet on my mattress just like normal. You see here, you guys, I'm just pulling and tugging. Now, you guys, you do know with TT's bed, it does not have a box spring. The way this bed made is just a mattress. And so, as you can see me putting it on, you're going to see this thing come together. Now, I'm going to give you a spoiler alert. TT slept in this bed, I slept in this bed, and TT likes to play and maneuver all over the bed. And when I tell you, you guys, this Bed Scrunchie did just what it said it was gonna do. It gave that bed a beautiful look, and you guys, the fitted sheet did not move. So make sure you do keep that in mind. I told you, for all of you wild sleepers, this definitely is the product for you. Let me reiterate. The magic is just tighten it by the drawstrings. Baby, that sheet snaps into place like it understood the assignment. I literally said, oh, we're making beds professionally now. Now you're going to see me set up her whole bed. And you guys, like I say, this made a world of a difference. Now, if you enjoy bed and hacks like this one, subscribe. This whole channel is about making your home feel peaceful and cozy. That's where we get the slogan, home is your happy place. Now, I've been using this for over a week now, you guys, and the sheets have not budged. That's big for me because TT sleeps all over the bed. I have slept in this bed twice with her since we put the scrunchie on, and which that brings me to tip number 1. If your fitted sheet is too loose, Bed Scrunchie is the easiest fix. Also, if you love satin or silk sheets that slip, this will lock it in. Now, the tips for a perfect bed. You're going to have to be styling your pillows, and you also add a throw blanket. Always layer with textures. That makes your bed instantly look more expensive. Use 2 duvet inserts inside one cover for a more plush look. So if you want that thick, fluffy look, put a duvet inside of a duvet. Easy tip. Steam your bed, and it also gives you a ultra luxury feel. Add a long lumbar pillow for a designer finish. Also, to you guys, drop me a comment and tell me your bedding color for the season. As you see here, I told you we was bringing TT Blue back. She's been up and down with her colors. She pushed us to the limit with her bedroom. But you see, we're actually going to implement the blue in her space. And 2, if you like to support the channel, I do have all of my information down in the description, but the best and the easiest way to support the channel, you guys, is actually to watch the video and watch them till the end. Then after you do that, share with some of your friends and family. That is the easiest and freest way you can share this, support this channel. So make sure you do that for your girl. Okay, y'all. Now, while I'm fluffing this comforter, does anyone else get way too excited about a freshly made bed? Like, why is this my personality trait now? Make sure you follow me on all platforms: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Threads. We're everywhere. And join the Her Home Is VIP membership for exclusive videos, early access, and monthly decor chats, you guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you. This is the clean, smooth, soft vibe, exactly how home should feel. If you want that hotel type finish every single day, definitely try Bed Scrunchie. It's truly worth it. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate you so much. And remember, home life is the best life.